What is up, everybody? You're back in the shop with me for another awesome video. You know I love making things, especially out of wood. Today I'm showing you 5 easy woodworking projects you can sell to jumpstart your side hustle. We're talking about projects you can make with basic tools and materials, even if you're just starting out. So, let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic handcrafted wooden coasters. These little pieces of art are not only functional but also add a touch of elegance to any home. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, making wooden coasters is a rewarding project that allows you to express your creativity. They're practical, look great, and are super customizable. You can experiment with different shapes, sizes, and designs to match your personal style or the decor of your home. From rustic to modern, the possibilities are endless. Plus, they make perfect gifts. Imagine the joy on your friend's face when they receive a set of coasters that you've made just for them. It's a thoughtful and unique gift that shows you care. Use scraps from other projects, reclaimed wood, or pick up some hardwood like cherry, walnut, or maple. Each type of wood has its own unique grain and color, adding character to your coasters. Reclaimed wood in particular can give your coasters a rustic vintage look. Cut the wood to around 4 inches by 4 inches, then sand it smooth. Precision is key here, so take your time to measure and cut accurately. Sanding is also crucial to ensure a smooth finish that's pleasant to touch. Add some personality with a wood burner, carvings, or just let the natural beauty shine through. You can create intricate patterns, monograms, or even simple geometric designs. If you prefer a minimalist look, the natural grain of the wood can be stunning on its own. Seal the coasters with a food-safe mineral oil to protect them from moisture. This step is essential to ensure the longevity of your coasters, especially if they'll be used for cold or hot drinks. The oil not only protects the wood, but also enhances its natural color and grain. And there you have it, your very own handcrafted wooden coasters. Display them proudly in your home or wrap them up as a special gift. Either way, you've created something beautiful and functional with your own hands. Next up, rustic wooden shelves. Perfect for adding warmth and character to any room. Use reclaimed wood for character or new wood distressed for a rustic look. Decide on the size and shape of your shelves, then use sturdy brackets to attach them to the wall. For an extra touch, add a coat of stain or paint, and there you have it, your very own set of rustic wooden shelves, ready to display all your treasures. Let's face it, we live in a world glued to our phones. Whether it's for work, staying connected with loved ones, or simply browsing the internet, our phones have become an essential part of our daily lives. So why not give them a stylish place to rest with a handcrafted wooden phone stand? Not only do these stands add a touch of elegance to your workspace, but they also provide a practical solution for keeping your phone accessible and organized. To get started, you'll need a piece of hardwood about 4 inches long, 2 inches wide, and 1 inch thick. Hardwood is ideal because it's durable and has a beautiful grain that will make your stand unique. Next, cut a groove in the wood where your phone will rest. This groove should be deep enough to hold your phone securely, but not so deep that it obstructs the screen. You can use a chisel or a router for this step, depending on your tools and skill level. Once the groove is cut, it's time to sand the entire stand until smooth. Start with a coarse grit sandpaper to remove any rough edges, then gradually move to a finer grit for a polished finish. This step is crucial for ensuring that your stand looks professional and feels pleasant to the touch. After sanding, apply a natural oil finish to enhance the wood's beauty. This will not only bring out the rich colors and patterns in the grain, but also protect the wood from moisture and wear. Be sure to apply the oil evenly and let it dry completely before using your stand. And there you have it, your very own handcrafted wooden phone stand. This simple yet elegant project is a great way to add a personal touch to your workspace or to create a thoughtful gift for someone special. Ready to elevate your phone game to the next level? With your new wooden phone stand, you'll have a stylish and functional accessory that keeps your phone within reach and adds a touch of sophistication to any setting. Let's move on to a project that's both practical and stylish: handmade wooden trays. Stick with a classic rectangular tray for beginners. Use hardwoods like cherry or maple for durability and rich color. Assemble the tray with wood glue and nails and add handles if desired. Sand the surface smooth, then apply a food-safe mineral oil finish. And there you have it, your very own handcrafted wooden tray, ready to add a touch of rustic elegance to your home. Let's wrap things up with a project that's both creative and profitable: DIY wooden wall art. This project is perfect for those who love to work with their hands and want to add a personal touch to their home decor. Not only is it a fun and engaging activity, but it also allows you to create something truly unique that can be a conversation starter in any room. Create geometric designs using different types of wood. You can experiment with various patterns and textures to see what works best for your space. The beauty of this project lies in its versatility. You can go for a modern minimalist look or something more rustic and traditional. The choice is yours. Cut the wood into various shapes and arrange them on a backing piece. This step is where your creativity can really shine. Think about the overall design and how the pieces will fit together. You can use a variety of tools to cut the wood, from a simple hand saw to more advanced machinery, depending on your skill level and the complexity of your design. Use wood glue to attach the shapes, then add dimension by layering or using spacers. This will give your artwork a three-dimensional effect, making it stand out even more. Be sure to let the glue dry completely before moving on to the next step. Patience is key here to ensure a strong and lasting bond. Apply different finishes for contrast and visual interest. You can use stains, paints, or even a clear varnish to protect the wood and enhance its natural beauty. Experiment with different finishes to see what complements your design the best. This step not only adds to the aesthetic appeal, but also helps in preserving the wood. And there you have it, your very own piece of DIY wooden wall art. This project is not only a great way to spend your time, but also a fantastic way to add a personal touch to your home. Whether you hang it in your living room, bedroom, or even your office, it's sure to be a hit, ready to transform your walls from boring to extraordinary. With just a few tools and some creativity, you can create a stunning piece of art that reflects your personal style. So why wait? Gather your materials and get started on your DIY wooden wall art project today. Gap 3S. Let's dive into another fantastic project that can add a personal touch to your home decor: wooden picture frames. This project is perfect for beginners and seasoned woodworkers alike. Not only are these frames functional, but they also make wonderful gifts that can be customized to fit any style or occasion. First, let's go over the materials and tools you'll need. Wood, choose a type that suits your style, such as pine, oak, or maple. Measuring tape, miter saw or hand saw, wood glue, sandpaper, various grits. Clamps, finishing nails or a nail gun, wood stain or paint, picture frame hardware, hangers, and backing. Start by measuring and cutting your wood. You'll need 4 pieces, 2 for the sides and 2 for the top and bottom. Use your measuring tape to ensure that the pieces are cut to the exact dimensions needed for your picture. A miter saw is ideal for making precise 45-degree angle cuts, but a handsaw can also do the job if you're careful. Once your pieces are cut, it's time to join them together. Apply a thin layer of wood glue to the joints and use clamps to hold them in place. Make sure the corners are perfectly aligned. Allow the glue to dry completely. This usually takes about an hour. Next, reinforce the joints with finishing nails or a nail gun. This step ensures that your frame is sturdy and durable. Be cautious when using a nail gun, and always follow safety guidelines. Now it's time to smooth out the edges and surfaces with sandpaper. Start with a coarser grit to remove any rough spots, then switch to a finer grit for a smooth finish. Wipe away any dust before moving on to the next step. Apply your choice of wood stain or paint. This is where you can get creative. Whether you want a rustic look with a dark stain or a vibrant, colorful frame, the choice is yours. Allow the finish to dry completely before handling. Finally, attach the picture frame hardware. Secure the hangers on the back of the frame and add any backing material to hold your picture in place. And there you have it, your very own handcrafted wooden picture frame. This project is not only rewarding but also opens up endless possibilities for customization. Display your favorite memories in a frame that you've crafted with your own hands, or gift it to someone special. Either way, it's a project that's sure to bring joy and satisfaction. Ready to get started? Gather your materials and dive into creating your unique wooden picture frame today. So, there you have it, 5 easy woodworking projects to start your own side hustle. Remember, woodworking is a journey, not a race. Experiment, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Let me know in the comments which project you're most excited to try. And be sure to subscribe for more woodworking tips and project ideas. Thanks for watching, everyone.